If you're waiting for a bank loan, a grant, or the perfect economic environment to start your business, you're going to wait forever. Perfection is just fear wearing a fancy suit. Think of a craftsman shaping raw material. The initial form is always rough and ugly. The final shape only reveals itself while you're actually doing the work. You don't need a polished office or millions in capital today. You just need to make it work roughly with whatever you have in front of you. When I started Your Laundry Guy, I didn't have a massive factory or a fleet of delivery vans. I gave myself the name, rolled up my sleeves, and learned operations on the field, from mainland to island. The identity comes first, scale follows. Stop waiting for the final draft. Start messy, commit to learning, and let the blueprint unfold as you move. Subscribe now. We are breaking down real business operations step by step all week. Let's build.